Hey guys,
Hello,
we are AC English Hub.
and today we prepared 7 verbs for you that would help you to sound more native.
Yeah,
And the first one is to nip.
to nip.
To nip.
So yeah, to nip is to make a quick journey somewhere in a break. Yeah, so you could nip to the shop. You could briskly nip to the shop to grab some milk and some eggs and some flour to make some pancakes.
Is it anything to do with nippy? When you say, oh, it's nippy out there.
Yeah, it can be used as that word as well. So you can be nippy.
So it's so nippy that you have to nip.
Yeah, it could be so nippy outside, so cold that you've just got to nip to the shop.
Oh, alright. And is it similar to a verb to dash?
To dash, to dash. Well, I think yeah, it is quite similar. If you're talking about the speed, so if you want to stress that you are going somewhere quickly, then you would use words such as nip or dash to show that.
Which one is quicker? Nip or dash?
I think they're both very similar, but if I was to guess, now there's no right or wrong, but I would say dash is faster.
Dash is faster.
Yeah, dash is more quick.
Oh, okay. Another quick one, I think, is to dart. To dart? To
Yeah,
dash.
so
Is it quicker than dash?
so to dart, not necessarily, but yeah, dart is again just another one of these fast verbs. So you're going to dart to the shop the same way that you can play darts and you can throw a dart very quickly onto a board. You could also dart in a similar manner.
Alright. Let's go to the slower ones. The one I just actually found out is to meander.
Yes, so to meander. Yes. So meander comes from how a river meanders. So a meander in a river is a windy, wavy path.
Curve.
Yeah. So if you were to meander, you would take a nice stroll, meandering around, taking in the sights and smells, and just enjoying a nice little walk. So you could meander along, or you could also like meander along aimlessly, and you could be downbeat and depressed. So yeah, it could be just a slow movement, making
so
a nice path.
while you're meandering, can you also be plodding?
Yeah, you could plod. So you could plod on your meander. So
That's the next verb.
yeah, so to plod is to kind of just kind of heavy plods, so heavy footsteps, slow, exhausting footsteps. So you could say a hippo plods through the Sahara desert. you don't get hippos in the Sahara desert. In the safari park, that's what I mean.
Oh, okay. Alright. The next one is trundling. Or trundling.
Yeah, so to trundle is to again, it's very similar to plodding in terms of it being a slow, tiresome movement. So if you're trundling, you could be in a pack of people. You could be with a group of people going out for a walk, and the fit and healthy guys are powering off in front, and you're trundling along behind because you're tired. In the same way that a lorry or a truck or a tractor would trundle down the road in plumes of smoke.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Okay, and the last one for today is to mooch.
So to mooch is a nice little word, and it is it's similar to meander. So if you go to the supermarket, you could mooch around the shops and you could have a look and do a bit of window shopping, or you can, you can mooch around the streets of York as you were taking the beautiful sights of the York Minster, for example.
Is it a very common word?
It's more commonly used in northern areas of England, so you probably won't hear it too much down south in London.
Alright. So that's all for today. And give us thumbs up if you like the video, and feel free to ask any questions.
Yeah, any questions we are happy to answer.
Yeah.
And we also have a Facebook page as well, AT English Hub.
Yes. So welcome.
Okay.
Yay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. See you guys.